Hey, it's Unstable Genius, here to explain why you keep messing up the one thing that makes everything better: sleep. You know you need it, but somehow you're still exhausted. Why? Today we're diving into the science of sleep and why your brain is basically sabotaging you. Let's fix that. Sleep is your brain's reset button. It clears toxins, consolidates memories, and recharges energy. Without it, you're a zombie with a smartphone. But not all sleep is equal. Quality matters more than quantity. Sleep happens in cycles: light, deep, and REM sleep. Each stage does different work, from physical repair to dreaming. Interrupting cycles makes you feel groggy and tired. That's why waking up mid-cycle sucks. Modern life hacks your sleep. Screens at night mess with melatonin, the sleep hormone. Stress and anxiety keep your brain wired. Caffeine and alcohol disrupt cycles. Irregular schedules confuse your body clock. Your body runs on a 24-hour clock, the circadian rhythm. Light and darkness tell it when to sleep and wake. Messing with natural light exposure throws your rhythm off. No wonder you can't fall asleep on Sundays after staying up late Friday. Here, how to get better sleep. Limit screens 1 hour before bed. Keep a consistent sleep schedule. Create a relaxing bedtime ritual. Avoid caffeine late in the day. Use blackout curtains or eye masks. Sometimes bad sleep isn't your fault. Sleep disorders like insomnia, apnea, or restless leg syndrome need professional help. Don't ignore serious symptoms, get checked. Better sleep means better mood, focus, and health. It's the foundation for productivity and happiness. Invest in sleep like you invest in your phone battery, because you are the device. So yeah, sleep sucks when you mess it up, but you can fix it. If this helped you want to hit the sack earlier, like, subscribe, and share with a fellow night owl. I'll see you next week, same chaos, same real talk. Stay alive and maybe get some rest tonight.